Today we will discuss about operations on two sets. Here we have a union of two sets. Now what is union of two sets? It is denoted by like this way, and it is read as A union B. We have two sets. Set A is equal to 1, 2 and 5, and set B is equal to 3, 5 and 9. Now here we will find A union B. Now what is A union B? Set of all those elements either in set A or in set B. So the set of A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and 9. Means जो भी सेट A और सेट B में एलिमेंट्स मौजूद होंगे उन सबको कंबाइन करके हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? सेट A union B. Here we have another operation, that is intersection of two sets, and it is denoted by this sign and read as A intersection B. We have two sets. Set A is equal to 4, 5 and 8, and set B is equal to 2, 4 and 6. जो भी कॉमन एलिमेंट सेट A एंड सेट B में मौजूद होंगे वो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? इंटरसेक्शन B. Now we will find intersection of A and B. A intersection B is equal to 4. Here we have another operation, that is difference of two sets, and it is denoted by this sign, read as A difference B. Let we have a set A and set B. If A is equal to 2, 4, 7 and 9 and B set is equal to 4, 5 and 9, then how we will find its difference? It is written as like this way, A difference B. Now the common elements we will cut. In both we have 4, we have 9. Now the remaining elements in set A is the difference of A difference B. See here 2, 7. Sorry, this 9 not. Now we have a symmetric difference of two sets. Let set A and set B be sets if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and B set is equal to 1, 3 and 5. How we will find its symmetric difference? First of all, it is denoted by this sign and read as A symmetric difference B. See here, in symmetric difference, the same elements in the both set we will cut. 1, 3. These are the common elements in both sets. Now the remaining elements in both sets is the symmetric difference of two sets. See here 2, 4, 6 and 5 are the remaining elements in both sets. Here we have complement of a set. Let this sign is denoted to universal set. Let U be a universal set and A is a subset of universal set. It is denoted by A dash or A power small c. So if universal set is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and set A is 1, 3, 5 and 7. How we will find its complement? It is denoted by like this way, and if we apply this operation then it is written as like this way, a universal difference A. I have discussed in previous how we will find difference. The difference is what? The common elements in both sets we will cut. 2, 3 and 5, 7. These are the common elements. Now the remaining elements in the first set is the difference. So the remaining elements of universal set are 2 and 9. This is the complement of a set.